Well, it's starting to get to the time of the year where I got to clear off the back porch, or I'm gonna have mouse and rat droppings all over the place, which is really, really dangerous. We've also been having a lot of black widow spiders here. You can see some of the webs hanging from down there. This is the area where I do a lot of the cutting wood stuff and whatever. There's lots of junk here. You know, it's just I might get rid of this. I don't have the table saw anymore. This other thing is sitting on top of a metal frame, and this was like somebody's homemade router table saw setup. And I got rid of the shaft drive Craftsman table saw. What a joke. They work, but it's a stupid idea. I'd rather have either direct drive like this little thing that I can carry with one hand, you know, or a belt drive. So anyway, just trying to get all this stuff out of here. Still got mosquitoes lingering around all over the place. I gotta get all this out of here. This is where they always congregate and they crap all over the place. So, been working on doing that today, trying to get some spring cleaning done.